welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Gracie. Now, Gracie come out strong, as she is speaking about Kingston 13, the situation that's going on between Gracie and Kingston 13. So it's a hot topic right now. And so Gracie's out with her receipts, her stuff that she wants to talk about Kingston 13. So Gracie's talking about JJ, which is allegedly Kingston 13's boyfriend. You need to go check out the video for yourself to hear what she has to say. And please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And also hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. Have a wonderful day.
You don't like that. JJ, man. Two cannot walk unless they're in agreement. When JJ come to me, I tell me, say, Gracie, you're popular, you have a name. Take Dana a picture, put pancake, sell, and make money. Me curse JJ. Till I ask my nation, I say, Gracie, me never know you curse about the word. And first me hear you tell JJ something feisty. I curse JJ in December, and I come back complain, voice note them pan in live and say, look where JJ from over England I do Dana cake, and I call me and tell me if I do Dana cake. 13 JJ, yeah, man. You talk it. When your birthday, what you in pay you white yard, if you come and tell you happy birthday, right? And JJ in the video, and you post it, but you're supposed to take it off by now. But you did post it, and you can go over white yard, go look. Look for 13 birthday, smaddy, and remember 13 birthday, and go over white yard, and look on white yard page. Go over white yard page, and see it. When JJ paid white yard if you tell him tell her happy birthday. 13, me not tell no lie, but me no need to do that 13. Me not stay like you. Me not want and tell lie. When Gracie come with a story, she concrete it. She left no doubts in anybody's mind. "13, me tell you already. You see anything you see me I make over YouTube, you can't take that way. You know why? Me tell you every time. Me tell all the other rest. You see anything left back over YouTube, it's mine. Planka then gone back and then yard already. Royal and gone back and then yard already. Anything you see me with over YouTube and at any time, given time, it is mine. It is mine. 13, you don't like. You don't even like. You know, like fine girl for. Fine girl not do you nothing. All our nationals, them you cannot find them name on Facebook. Because fine girl no name so over here. And you see fine girl I send up 100 super chat and 50 super chat. So yeah, I read our fine girl money, you can't find her if you beg her. So that get your griefs. You come over there, you look and you see Top Notch I send money. And through Top Notch name so over Facebook, you come and you turn Top Notch against me, bit against me. I don't know why I do Top Notch. But anyway, you get close to Top Notch. I talk it plain and straight. I don't want Top Notch money. Top Notch, if you send it on YouTube, me have to cancel it. No care how big it is, I don't want it. And if you send it in a cash app, me have to refund it. Give it to 13. I'm not devouring hungries. Me come beg laptop what day. And you see one nation I send $200 in a cash app and the rest of them send 120 or 150. That not me not hungry. 13, that's how you hate fine girl. And you match out and map out where Gracie get her cash up and her sitting them from. You match out where me getting me super chat them from. And it hurt your head when you see fine girls staying up our money. Anybody with the road me was send super chat 13, you have a vendetta against them if they not give you. But don't have a vendetta against fine girl, because if fine girl never send it come give you, she send it come give me. She send $350 come give you 3 different times. I beg for you, $150. $150. Your man no like Dana. So all you like Dana. And you're there with JJ. I don't like you and him there before. Afterward, you like Dana. Remember, so you see my cost Dana. You didn't meet him a cost Dana. You meet him a take her cake them and sell them. And I put him label on it. Put her picture on and cake them. And I sell tough cake over England and give human cake them bad name last year. And I did bring out the story. So you never know that and you see everything else on social media. 13 make it make sense. 13 make it make sense. Can't nah make no sense, yeah, so you nah add up. 2 plus 2 make 2. 2 plus 2 equal 4, but 13, you're not adding up. 13, you add number, get even, and come back again. 13. Friday the 13, you add number, get even number, and come back for Gracie. Don't try me. Then I know me I cook up for you. You think I you alone that cook? After now you alone a chef. Eh? As let you that set, 2 we are set. But at the bigger set, at the bigger rat trap I go win this 13. Come up with our next rat trap. Cause me have more. Me have more. I me not touch what curious of people them give me yet. Me not touch them there yet. Me not touch what you tell me about handsome yet 13. Me not touch the Tory there yet. I'll 2 win a landline, but I will help her to win her case. 13 a ramp with me. Yeah, and Shelly ever clean a friend, right? So you say. And I don't touch what you tell me about Shelly ever clean it. Me not go over there yet, 13. And I don't want to go. You see me a ball what yet? A Gracie a ball, cause Gracie say Charmaine too nice. She want come and Charmaine. I said, no, Gracie. Social media never can manage if you come. 13 me not touch what you tell me about Shelly yet. Me not touch yet. I me only touch what your man do to the people them. Me not touch what you do yet. 13 I wonder if you want.